channel. It has been a hot minute since I have filmed a makeup video. You know, I actually have a lot of friends that ask me why I stopped or ask me when I'm gonna film another one, and here we are. We're doing it because of this. This has inspired me to sit back in front of the camera and film myself putting makeup on. So this is the Tati Beauty Volume 1, which is really exciting because that means more are coming and I'll be getting my hands on them because I can't not. Hi, yes, I'm a ginger and that means my eyelashes are basically clear, so I know I look funny because I have a whole face of makeup on, including my eyebrows and my lips and everything, but give me a second. Once we start playing, I will look more normal. Oh my god, I die. So the concept of this palette is to have 4 different finishes in 6 different colors. So each color is a different finish throughout. Amazing, beautiful idea. I give huge props to Tati for this. So first, to start off, I'm gonna take my M441 and I'm going to go right into Soothe, the Soothe Matte. Just put it right in the crease. And I'm using circles and then windshield wiper motions. So blending it all around and then blending back and forth. Whoa, I need to get my eyebrows done. First doing windshield wiper motions and then circles. So that is Soothe right there. That blended out really, really nicely. Super easy. Love it. So my aunt got me this really cute color cleaner. So it's a little sponge in here, and if you want to use the same brush, you just blend it around and that sponge will take off the color, and now it's basically clean. Now I'm taking the M433 brush. I'm gonna go into Ritual in the matte shade and just pack that on the brush, tap off the excess. And we're gonna focus this on the outer corner and bring it down on the lid in the outer corner as well. That's really nice. Looks really good. It's blending out pretty good. There's literally a lizard trying to crawl out of the window. Now I'm gonna go back into that M441 brush and just blend this together a little more. Oh my gosh, she's coming out. Oh my god. I'm gonna film this on my iPad so y'all can see, so I can insert it in the video.
This lizard is trying to come where I'm filming. What are you doing?
This lizard is trying to come where I'm filming. What are you doing? So now back with that M433, we're gonna just put it in here and let's clean that up a little bit. And we're gonna go into a darker shade. This is not gonna be a daytime look, and it's only, what time is it? It's only 12. So I have all day with this. So we're gonna go into the black matte. I think I got a lot. Shoot. All right, we're gonna just darken up right here. I'm not putting a lot of this black, okay? Like that. That's it. Oh, he's coming. Oh no. There he is. Good little guy. Go back out. Hey, hey. No, go out. There you go. set the lizard free. Let's keep going. I'm gonna stay with this Soothe section, and I'm gonna go in with the glitter. I'm excited. Actually, first let's go in with the metallic. So I'm gonna put the metallic. Let me zoom you in. All right. So we're gonna put the metallic right there. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. I didn't even get a lot on my finger. Let's really go in now. Okay. So metallic. Wow. It is so pretty. I'm gonna do a little of that black metallic out here. Just a little bit. I don't want the outsides to be too dark. This is the part I've been waiting for. Ah! We're going into the glitter. Do you see that? Once again, this is Soothe in glitter. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Tati can do no wrong. Now, you can see that there is some fallout, but it should just brush away, so let's try. Yep, gone. Wow. That is so stunning. Oh my god. This literally feeds my soul. Oh my gosh. This is insane. This is freaking awesome. I'm gonna take some of that black glitter. Sorry, it's called memory. The memory glitter. And just press that right there. This is insane. Wow. Oh my god, I look like a glitter ball, and I freaking love glitter, and this is a lot. So the eyeliner is a little tough to do, obviously because there's a lot of glitter, so you're gonna have to go in a few times. Just gonna line my lower lash line with that color. I don't want too dark at the bottom, so I'm not gonna do the black. I'm just gonna stick with this brown. Then take my little blending brush, go into Soothe, and blend that out. I still have errands that I need to run today. I'm redoing the guest room in the house, and I have to take stuff to Goodwill. I have like a whole bedroom set that I'm taking to Goodwill, along with a lot of blankets that I'm donating, and shoes and clothes. I'm gonna like roll up to Goodwill like, hey, here's my stuff. So these are just the Kiss lashes and Pixie. So I just peel them off. I'm gonna cut, I know exactly how much to cut on these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it without measuring it to my eye. And I'm still using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive because it has been working amazing still. So I'm just putting the glue on the band, making sure I get that front corner and that back corner really well. So lashes and mascara are on. This looks amazing. I'm going in with my brush right here, and we're gonna put it on as a highlight. Ooh, yes. That is really pretty. Oh yeah. Love it. So stinking pretty. So I saw some like kind of, I guess not redness, but some stuff poking through right here. So I actually just put Aurora the matte, just kind of like a bone shade. I just put it right underneath my eyes. Kind of brighten that area up a little bit. Okay, I know this video is about done, but I have to say, I finally bought the Physicians Formula, the butter bronzer. Oh, hot diggity dog. This smells like a vacation. Every time I put it on my face, I'm like, I need to book a flight to Hawaii right now. Oh, little brush fell out. I don't use that. But this stuff is so yummy. So yummy. I need to go back to Hawaii. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and we're going to spray the face. And this is the completed look. I am not a huge person on packaging. I don't know why. I like the products more than the package, I guess. But Tati killed this. So this is what the palette came in. And of course it was all wrapped up and she didn't do bubble wrap, she actually did like recycled paper. So it was wrapped up in recycled paper and it was put in here and it says that it's your story to tell. Oh, sorry, it says beautiful is your story to tell. With this picture of her, hi. Do I look like her? I hate myself, but amazing. All black, but just amazing.